PowerPoint object masking tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to easily do object masking using PowerPoint. Open PowerPoint, start, take a blank presentation slide. Right-click on the slide, go to the layout option and select a blank page. Insert a rectangle shape from the Insert menu. Choose Shapes and draw a rectangle on the blank slide. Set your desired color from the color options. Add text. Go to the Insert menu. Click on Text Box and draw a text box on the slide. Write your text inside it. Merge text and shape. Select both the text and the rectangle together. Go to the Shape Format menu. Click on Merge Shapes and choose Combine. Insert video from local drive. If you want to use a video from your local drive, go to the Insert menu, video arrow, select this device. Right-click on the video and choose Send to Back. If cropping is needed, go to the Video Format menu and use the Crop option. Play the video to see how smoothly the text has been merged. Use PowerPoint Store Media. You can also use videos and images from the PowerPoint Store to create attractive presentations. Masking with PNG image. Insert a PNG image. From the Animations menu, select Line Animation. Adjust the ending point of the line animation to stretch the image to the end. Send the image to back. Set the duration from the Duration option. Play the slide and you'll see a simple line masking animation. This way, using PowerPoint, you can easily create masking effects with text, shapes, videos, and PNG images. Perfect for making your presentations more stylish and professional.